Clothespin pressing. This activity strengthens the small muscles used for writing and self-care, especially the thumb and index finger. Show your child how to press the clothespins open using their thumb and index finger. Then clip it onto the edge of a box or cardboard. Try placing them in a row. If this is hard, try larger or softer pins. Let your child use 2 hands first to get the feel of it. To make it fun and challenging, turn it into a color or number game. Ask your child to match pins to stickers or clip in order. Just a few clips a day can really help build finger strength and control. Plus, it's a lot of fun.